Those two named storms that we've checked off the list, those were Alex, that was a rare storm up there in January, and the B storm, Bonnie, which we checked off the list just a few days ago. Next up, that C storm you see right there. Here's what's left of Bonnie. It's a post-tropical system now, but it's still just hanging out right off the Carolina coastline. Hurricane hunters will fly in and they'll investigate the system tomorrow and also Thursday. The likelihood of it becoming something tropical again is really, really low. And that's all we're watching at this very second. You can see all this cloud cover and all this moisture down here to our south. Eventually that moisture will come rolling in, and that'll just help in giving us more showers and thunderstorms once we get to Saturday and Sunday. Right now though, it's dry, and you can see that temperatures are quite warm. We are looking at temperatures around 80 degrees in Palm Beach County, and we have temperatures in the mid-70s along the Treasure Coast, low 70s out towards the lake. By tomorrow morning, we are waking up to temperatures in the low to mid-70s. A muggy start, though, with that humidity around, and isolated coastal showers possible. And once we get to 10 o'clock in the morning, temperatures are already in the mid-80s, and they soar from there. Vipercast shows that an isolated shower is possible right around noon, and that's when the sea breeze really starts to push westward. By 2:30 in the afternoon, that sea breeze is well inland, and it's impacting Indiantown, Wellington, out towards Belglade and Okeechobee too. Pahokee, you'll see some rain and some thunderstorms too. So as you get the kids from school, it looks fine, unless you live way out here towards the rim of the lake. And then eventually by 5:30 in the afternoon, that afternoon commute looks just fine, and all the thunderstorms will be located over there across southwest Florida during the late afternoon and early evening. So if you're doing some boating, it looks fine across the Atlantic, seas 2 to 3 feet, inland waterways, that light chop. High tide will occur at 5:32 in the morning, low tide 11:31 in the morning. If you're boating on Lake Okeechobee though, watch out for those inland thunderstorms, because those will definitely be power packed. Beach forecast, keep an eye to the sky tomorrow afternoon around lunch, because that's when those thunderstorms will start to push away from the coastline, and that lightning threat is moderate. Rip current threat low, surf ankle high. So to summarize for you, partly cloudy overnight, warm with an isolated coastal shower, temperatures about 70 to 75 degrees. Then we go from the mid-70s to the upper 80s, near 90 degrees. And of course, with that humidity, it's going to be muggy out there, and it's going to feel like it's in the low to mid-90s. And some late-day thunderstorms can be expected. The majority of those thunderstorms will be well inland. And then we copy and cut and paste the same forecast on Thursday and Friday. Eventually that moisture rolls in on Saturday and Sunday. The stormiest day will be Sunday, and the hottest 2 days out of the next 7 will be Saturday and Sunday, with highs right at 90 degrees.